for.
Let's watch this. So what's the stages for? There you go. I'll open my present now!
You go, girl. Open it.
Where is it?
Who's that from?
Me?
That's from Nana and Papa.
Oh my. You picked a good one to open first, didn't you?
It's a boy from Nathan!
Awesome.
Did it open this thing?
Yeah, we'll take a break after the first present and open it all.
I don't know.